Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to L&T Educate. Breaking news, 2024 exam mail is there. L&T team is sending the exam mail to candidates. Exam date is today. We are sharing the free preparation and exam pattern with the all updates. Let's start the video. 5 days ago I posted opportunity on our channel L&T Educate, and finally candidate received this type of mail that L&T Technology Services, okay, and L&T Technology Services recruitment program test login credential. Okay, greetings from L&T Edutech. With reference to your selection for L&T Technology Services recruitment program, we have been invited you to take the online assessment. Your cognitive and domain assessment will be there. 21 October means today. Okay, start access time 6 p.m. and end time 8 p.m. The login button will be valid from 6 p.m. till 8 p.m. Post 8 p.m. the access to assessment will be blocked. Let's discuss about the pattern in detail. Okay, so the thing is L&T Technology Services campus recruitment program candidate test instruction. We would like to inform that you have been selected to take up online assessment L&T Technology Services. Okay, the assessment module is mandatory. Both assessment module is attempt to mandatory. The assessment will be conducted in sequential order. First you have to completed the first module, okay, then you will be move forward to the second module. Okay, this is the thing. The start button will be enabled. So your first module will be aptitude plus technical and second module is coding test. So in the analytical ability, what does it means by analytical? So the analytical means reasoning, okay, non-verbal reasoning. So reasoning will be there, okay. Quantitative ability means a numerical will be there, okay, and third is verbal ability means English will be there. So complete aptitude part will be there, in which in the aptitude the reasoning plus quant plus verbal will be there, and after that domain related. Okay, so as we know that, like, what does it means by domain? Suppose you are from CSIT. Okay, so the domain related will be question will be asked from your CSIT domain, like computer science basic concept or computer programming related concept. If you are from ECE branch, so that concept will be asked. Okay, if you are from other branches, so domain related, your domain branch related domain question will be asked. Okay, and if I'm talking about the coding test, so coding test, as we know that there are two coding question, 35 minutes of time. So in which array, string, okay, array, string and other topics are very important, like queue, searching, sorting and other topics are very important. Okay, in the coding part we would like to share some vital information with you regarding the examination. Please go through the below mentioned carefully so you have clarity of examination process. First of all, system requirements. I suggest all of you to do the system check. That is very important before examination. Okay, that is most important point. This is the online assessment system requirements. You can check and complete. So there are two modules that contains of cognitive and domain test. Cognitive means aptitude. Okay, cognitive means whole aptitude, and domain test is different and coding test are there. Okay, domain test means your domain related. So if I'm talking about the on campus pattern, so in that English, logical, quant will be there, means apti will be there, okay, and computer science, computer programming in spoken English. So this is the different part that is related to communication. But if you see the two part, computer programming, computer science, so this is just like a domain, that is what the CSIT, okay, it is follow in the on campus for every candidate. Okay, but the thing is the domain will be related to your branch. So the thing is, if I'm talking about the analytical, quantitative and verbal, so you have India Bix website, 1000 plus questions are there, general aptitude, verbal and reasonings are there. Okay, you can check the analytical reasoning questions as well. Okay, concept, syllabus, everything is present on India Bix and GFG website. If I'm talking about the domain related test, so 5000 plus programming questions, computer programming questions are there, and topic wise multiple choice question in the computer science related to C, data structure, operating system, C++, Python. Okay, like you can basically prepare the basic concept that is related, like you have to know about the database management system, you have to know about the basic concept of data structure, array, linked list, stack, queue. Okay, and you have to know about the basic concept of object oriented programming or operating system. So domain will be asked from that. And if I'm talking about the coding test, so we know that your examination is today on the 21st October. I suggest you to solve so many previous year questions of LNT coding, okay, that is available on the YouTube. Okay, it will be available, easily accessibly available on the YouTube. So prepare from YouTube and crack the coding examination, okay, and crack the whole examination. I hope you like the video. When you receive the next update related to interview update, okay, you can mention in the comment section. Best wishes for your LNT examination. Thanks for watching the video.